Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Holden Barina, stock number 6393. It's ran from the 12th 2005 to the 12th 2012. It has a F16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the F16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight had sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door 4 dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight has light scratches. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door 5 dents. Right front door mirror has a scuff mark in the corner. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.